Hello there friends, welcome to unboxing bits that I bought on eBay. Let's take a look at our first purchase. Can you guess what it is yet? This is an end cap for the front bumper, which is currently down here, which has been beautifully sanded back to bare metal before paint. Now these will provide an aesthetically pleasing look to the end of the bumper whilst adding some bumperness to the mix. So it's a win-win for that purchase, you ask me. Okay, next purchase we have some wires. These wires, I've got black wires, got red wires, and I've got blue wires. That will go nicely with the lights. Oh, there might be some lights in here. Isn't that exciting? The next box of goodies we have, oh my god, that is so small. I did not know that was going to be. I did a Carly. I got some rubbing compound because I wanted to get the paintwork nice and shiny, because I've not actually rubbed it down since painting it. But yeah, that'll maybe do half a wing on a 110 Defender, so I understand the price now. What do we have? In this box we have LED side repeaters, which are quite snazzy. And then we have these things which go into the jacking points just below the bumper, and they plug those holes which are currently unplugged. So that's nice, and these are the housings for the repeaters, side indicators. LED, very nice. I think they were about £30. Next box, what do we have? We have some hammerite, and that is to paint the bumper with. Shiny and rust resistant. Okay, next box we have the LED light kits. Fragile, Waypack LED Landrover Defender kit. I've used this for the past two Defenders, so obviously I'm a bit of an expert on this. So yes, comes with the little resistor thingy-majigger. So yeah, ready to go. 2 front side lights, 2 front indicators, 2 rear indicators, stop and tail, and the LED flasher unit. So good quality ones, and yeah, nice and bright. And these are the bezels for the new headlights, which are somewhere, probably still on the way. Unboxing part 2 maybe. Oh, down here we've got a snorkel. We have a snorkel so we can do fun activities in the wet. In this box here we have bezels for the reverse and rear fog lights, and we have LED units to match, which are snazzy as fuck. So yes, that will look very nice. In here we have paints. Hammerite, fake hammerite. Well, it's just as good, but we'll need that for some of the chassis work that I'm doing at the moment. Well, not chassis work, but well, I have taken out this bad boy, this corroded old spring from the front left passenger side, the dampener and the turret. We've got brand new springs over here, OEM ones, powder coated black. So we've already got the dampeners, the terra firma ones, which are in the back of the Landy at the moment. So we're just waiting on the new galvanized turret and the fitting kit as well. So yes, whilst everything's out, it's getting a nice paint, strip it back to bare metal. What else? One last thing, we've got some spacers. I very nearly went out and bought very large off-road wheels for this Defender, the BF Goodrich 285 mud terrains with the black modular steel wheels, but decided to wait for time being. One, £1,700, and two, they're actually meant for off-road, surprisingly. So yeah, not the best fuel economy, and they make the car actually a little bit slower and a bit more sluggish. So what I'm going to do is just put on these 40mm wheel spacers, which will just fill out the wheel arches a bit more and make it give a bit more of a meaner appearance to the wheels. So these are good quality ones, which should be nice and safe. Yeah, so that's what we've got so far. More bits on the way, and of course we just need to wait for it to stop raining so we can actually do stuff. But it's well, it's November in Scotland, so yeah, good luck with that. Right, we've also got a brand new replacement windscreen motor. I think the one that's in it is not in the best condition, or something's not right with that whole system because they're quite slow. So decided just to replace the whole things. Got this, and on the way I've got genuine OEM Jaguar Landrover wheel boxes and the chain thing, what's it called? Pulley, and some new wipers. So we'll have complete new wiper system in place, so that kind of and because I'm getting the genuine wheelhouse boxes, I know that it'll all work, unlike the crappy Britpart ones which I used last time and had to replace. So yes, guys, fresh delivery, spray adhesive, extra strong. What do you think I'm using this for? I'll give you a clue. It's gonna be, I can't actually think of a good clue. This is for the dashboard. I'm gonna re-vinyl the dashboard, or at least I'm gonna try. It could go either one of two ways, but you'll be with me for that journey, so don't you worry. And yeah, let's box this up and make some room. More stuff has arrived. Look at that. Beautiful gloss black front grille. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And it should be, and a nice light surrounds. Lovely. Lovely. They're gonna look good, aren't they, Enzo? Yes, they're going to look good. And we've got our black vinyl to try and rewrap everything. All the dashboard, the lower part and the upper part. I don't know, we'll give it a shot. We'll see how much is in there. Got in here something, door handle. The one broke. Hey, this actually feels better quality. That seems unlikely. And we've got in here our genuine Landrover wheelhouse boxes for the wipers and the new worm drive. So lots to do. I bought racing stripes from Etsy, so we'll see that when it's applied, but I think it's going to look pretty nifty. Racing stripes on the Defender. I got these nice new LED headlights with the angel eye type thing going on there, and I've got some clips for the front grille, reverse, sorry, number plate, rear number plate LED, and a nice genuine Landrover badge for the new front grille. I was supposed to get galvanised turrets for the front suspension, but DHL are a bag of bastards, so yeah, that's the end of this video, and once that arrives we can start putting things on. Thank you, see you next time.